Then we'll start to see temperatures drop down as our rain chances and cloud cover are going to increase. It's going to be a busy week weather-wise. Today is going to feature an isolated chance for a strong to severe storm. That's also going to be the case for tomorrow. Not expecting widespread severe weather, but something we'll be watching closely. Temperatures overall, they're on a downward trend. It's just going to take some time for them to drop off. We're keeping a close eye on the tropics, and there is the potential for some significant rain potentially later on in the week. This is going to be a great week for some weather bingo. We are going to have a lot to talk about, and you're really going to be able to check off some of those boxes. Say that 73 this morning in Knoxville, Maryville, 68 in Loudoun, in Jamestown, 67 as well in Barberville. Our rain chances are going to increase as we head through the afternoon. A couple spotty showers late this afternoon into the evening. Not everyone will see rain today, but those who do, you'll be pretty lucky. But there is that isolated chance for a strong to severe storm. Temperatures, though, headed up into the upper 80s to low 90s. 90 in Knoxville, 88 in Dandridge, and 85 in Oneida. Well above average, roughly around 10 degrees above average. For this morning, we are quiet, and we're quiet through midday. Once we get beyond that point, we'll see a couple spotty showers develop. I think they first develop especially the western half of our area, so the plateau, southeast Kentucky. Not everyone will see rain, but then we will see them try to push eastward as we head through the evening, and again, that isolated chance for a strong to severe storm, and then we will keep rain chances going into tonight for just a couple of hours into the early part of the night, but I think our severe risk will decrease pretty quickly after sunset. So it is a low-end severe risk. Main concern would be gusty to damaging winds, but not expecting widespread severe weather. Just something we'll have to watch as we go through the afternoon. 87 tomorrow in Knoxville, 85 in Wartburg, 89 in Tellico Plains. So tomorrow, temperatures are going to be up into the 80s. It still will be steamy, so it'll probably still feel like we're in the 90s. We're quiet for the first half of the day. Into the afternoon, a couple spotty showers develop, becoming a little bit more scattered as we head to the late afternoon into the evening. Another round of an isolated strong to severe storm also possible. Then we will see coverage decrease pretty quickly once we get beyond sunset tomorrow. Everyone under that risk for the severe chance for tomorrow, again, damaging winds would be the main concern. I'm still not expecting widespread severe weather. It would just be an isolated storm for today, tomorrow as well. Rain coverage will increase by the time we get to Wednesday as the cold front gets a little bit closer. Scattered showers and storms will be around. And then as we head into the weekend, now, some more uncertainty enters the forecast, but it does look like we have the potential of seeing some significant rain that would really help out our drought situation. We're watching this area off the Yucatan Peninsula. Right now has a 90% chance of becoming our next tropical system. It's very likely it will get the name Helene by the time we get to either tomorrow or Wednesday. Then the exact track of the storm will dictate just how soggy our forecast is later in the week. You can see on Wednesday the storm strengthening up, moves over the open Gulf where temperatures are in the 80s right now, so that's bathwater for the storm to tap into. It does look like we will have some impact along the Gulf Coast, say from Mississippi to about Tampa, Florida. Some of the models indicating likely landfall across the Florida Panhandle. Then it may move northward, throwing some more moisture in our direction. So we'll be watching that closely as we get to the end of the week and into the weekend. For now, though, a few spotty storms this afternoon and tomorrow as well, with an isolated chance for a strong to severe one, with increasing rain coverage by the time we get to Wednesday.